Next problem. If x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle with radius 6. With radius 6, find the value of c. So, first we will write the given equation. So, given equation of circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c is equal to 0 is a given equation. Now, from this what we do, we find out the values of g and f. How to find the values of g and f? We consider a general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now, we compare these two. See, this is a given equation of circle and this is a general equation of circle. So, we compare these two. See. Now, what is coefficient of x in the general equation? It is 2g. And what is coefficient of x in the given equation? Minus 4. So, what is g value? G value is minus 2. Then, 2f is equal to, what is coefficient of y in the general equation? 2f. And here it is 6. So, f value is 6 by 2. What is 6 by 2? 3. Now, from the equation, what is c? C is nothing but the same c. So, no change in that. Now, after getting g and f values, we have to find out the value of c. And what is given condition? The given condition is the radius is equal to 6. So, now, r is equal to 6. Here, r means radius. See, this is given to us. Given r is equal to 6. Now, how to find the radius? The formula to get the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. But what is r? R is under root of g square plus f square minus c is equal to 6. Now, I will substitute the values. So, under root of g value, it is minus 2. So, minus 2 whole square is 4. And what is f value? F value is 3. If I substitute 3 square is 9. And what is c value from this equation? C value is nothing but c. Substitute that c is equal to 6. So, under root of, so next, under root of 4 plus 9, 13 minus c is equal to 6. To eliminate root, we square them on both sides. That is 13 minus c is equal to 6 square. 6 square is 36. Now we have to find out the value of c. So minus c is equal to 36 minus 13. Minus c is equal to 23. So therefore, what is c value? C value is minus 23. Minus c is equal to 23. So c value is minus 23. That's all. So this problem is completed. So next question. Find the center and radius. This second question. Find the center and radius of the following circles. That the first one. Find the center and radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 41 is equal to 0. So here we have to find out the center and radius. So what is center for a general equation? Suppose if the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So the center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. This is the center. And radius under root of g square plus f square minus c. So here what we do, first we find out the center. In order to find the center, we need to find the values of g and f. So if you compare the given equation with the general equation, what is coefficient of x? 2g. And here what is coefficient of x? Minus 4. Then coefficient of y? 2f. And what is coefficient of y? Minus 8. So what is g value? G value is minus 2, F value is minus 4. So now center minus G comma minus F. So this is equal to minus G. If I substitute here, minus G means it will become 2 comma minus F. Minus into minus plus. If I substitute, this will become 4. So 2 comma 4 is the center. Now radius R is equal to under root of G square plus F square minus C. G square plus you can square this or this, both are same. Minus 2 square is 4 plus F square 16 and minus C. So what is C value from the given equation? It is minus 41. So already we have minus in the formula. See, G square plus F square minus C. G square plus F square minus, what is C value? Minus 41. Minus into minus plus 41. So R is equal to under root of 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 41 is 61. So this is radius. Center minus G comma minus F. We are substituting this G value and F value in minus G minus F so that we get 2 comma 4. After that radius under root of G square. G square plus F square minus C. Minus into minus plus and C is 41. Add this, you get the answer. 20 plus 41 is 61. That's all. So next question. So again it is find center and radius, but the equation only changes. So next, find the center and radius of the circle. Now the equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the center and radius of the circle. 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. So here, see, what is equation of a circle? We have three conditions that it should be a second degree equation. See, circle equation should be a second degree equation, and the second condition is always coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. We discussed this in the last class. So coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, and see here, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square is equal, but the important point is they should be equal and the coefficient of x square and y square is always 1. Then only we have to start the problem, otherwise we should not do. So now to make coefficient of x square and y square as unity means 1, I'll divide the complete equation with 3. So if I divide by 3, x square plus y square minus 5x by 3 minus 6y by 3 plus 4 by 3 is equal to 0. Why do I divide by 3? The reason is not to solve the problem. Coefficient of x square and y square must be equal and it should be 1. Here it is not 1, it is 3. To make it as unity, we divide the complete equation with the coefficient of x square and y square. Always these two will be same in circles. So whenever you are doing the problem, check the coefficient of x square and y square. It should be always 1. If it is not 1, you have to make it as unity. That means 1 and you have to solve the problem. Now we divided this. After dividing, we will compare this equation with the general equation. Now coefficient of x in the circle is, general equation is 2g. And here the coefficient of x is minus 5 by 3. So g value will be minus 5 by 6. Next, coefficient of y in this is 2f, and here in the equation it is, I'll write minus 3. Oh sorry, not minus 3, minus, okay, I'll write minus 6 by 2, no problem. Minus 6 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are, you can cancel. So f value is 2f is equal to minus 2. So f is equal to minus 1. How it is minus 1? F is equal to minus 2 by 2. It is minus 1. Now we got the center. What is center? Center, right? Center. So the center is minus 5 by, sorry, not minus 5 by 6. It is 5 by 6 comma 1. Why 5 by 6 comma 1? Because the center is minus g comma minus f minus g. When I substitute, this will become plus, and minus 1 when I substitute instead of it will become plus 1. So center is 5 by 6 comma 1. After that, we have to find out the radius. So radius, and do it here. R is equal to under root of g square. Already the formula is here, g square plus h square minus c. So when I do g square, I have to square this. 25 by 36. 25 by 36 g square plus f square and minus c. So what is c value from the equation? 4 by 3. So minus c means it is minus 4 by 3. So r is equal to under root of 25, I am taking LCM, plus 36 minus 3 goes how many times in 36? 3 goes 12 times. 12 4s are 48. See, 36 is LCM. 36 goes in 36 one time. So 1 into 25 is 25. Then here you can assume as 1. 1 goes in 36 times. So that 36 into 1 is 36. 3 goes 12 times. That 12 you have to multiply the numerator. 12 4s are 48. So r is equal to under root of 25 plus 36. 25 plus 36 is 61 minus 48 by 36. So if you subtract, what is r? So r is equal to under root of 61 minus 48. 1 by 13 by 36, or r value will be root 13 by square root of 36 is 6. So radius is under root 13 by 6. So that's all. This problem is completed. Next one. Again, it is find the center. It is next one is find the center and radius. Same question. Equation is under root of, this is very important problem, under root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2cx minus 2mcy minus 2mcy is equal to 0. So same. You have to find the center and radius. So whenever you are solving the problem on center and radius, always write this general equation, write the formula to the right side. Okay. Now, so we solve this. See, coefficient of x square and y square must be unity, but here the coefficient of x square and y square is under root of 1 plus m square. So to make this as unity, what we do, we divide the complete equation with under root of 1 plus m square. So if I divide this, we get x square plus y square minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by under root of 1 plus m square y is equal to 0. So we made coefficient of x square and y square unity. After that we compare. So 2g is equal to minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square. And coefficient of y is 2f in the general equation, and here it is minus 2mc. I am writing the coefficient of y under root of 1 plus m square. So 2 cancels, 2 cancels. Now what is g value? It is minus c by under root of 1 plus m square, and f value is minus mc by under root of 1 plus m square. Now center, minus g comma minus f. See, formula already I wrote, minus g comma minus f. I am substituting now. So g value is minus c by under root of 1 plus m square. I am substituting here. So this will become c by under root of 1 plus m square, comma, f value I am substituting. This f value I am substituting here. Minus into minus plus. So we get mc by under root of 1 plus m square. So this is center. Okay. Now after the center, we have to find out the radius. We have to find out radius. So already the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. So now r is equal to under root of g square. So what is g value? Minus c by under root of 1 plus m square. I am substituting here. If we square, this minus sign cancels. So c square by denominator root also get cancels. 1 plus m square. See, g value is this minus c by under root of 1 plus m square. If you square c square by 1 plus m square, root get cancels. If power is even, this minus sign also cancels. Plus m square. So I am squaring this minus mc by under root of 1 plus m square. So the result for this is m square c square. See, I am squaring m square c square by 1 plus m square. So g square plus m square minus c. So in the equation, see, in this equation, we don't have any constant. See, we don't have any constant means the term we cannot extend by. See, this is x coefficient, this is y coefficient, and this is x square, y square are variables. We don't have any constant. Generally, we have after y term we have a constant. Here we don't have that constant. That means the constant is missing. If the constant is missing, it is understood to be 0. So from the equation, the c value is 0. Now I'll simplify this. R is equal to under root of the common denominator is 1 plus m square. So just write the numerator c square plus m square c square. So r is equal to under root of c square common. So we get 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square in the root. So everything is in the root. So now 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square cancels. So what we have? R is equal to under root of c square is left out. What is under root of c square? It is c. R value is c. So what is the center? C by under root of 1 plus m square comma mc by under root of 1 plus m square. And what is the radius equal? R is equal to c. Okay, so this is also completed. Right. So now similar problems you try and write. Just do these problems after completing these two. Just do these two. X square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. So find out center and radius for this. And the next one is 2x square plus 2y square. 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So these two problems you try. After completing these two, just try these two problems. Right. Next is now